Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to clear your iPhone's clipboard. This is useful if you've copied sensitive information like passwords, banking details, personal documents, or anything else you don't want sitting in your clipboard. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that anything you copy on your iPhone stays in the clipboard until it's replaced or cleared. So if you've recently copied something private, it's a good idea to remove it. To do that, swipe down from the home screen and search for Shortcuts, then open the Shortcuts app. Next, tap on Gallery at the bottom right, then tap the search bar at the top and search for Clipboard. From the results, select Use Your Clipboard. Now scroll down and look for Clear All Clipboards, then tap Add Shortcut. Once the shortcut has been added, tap Library at the bottom and find the new Clear All Clipboards shortcut. Tap on it and allow any permissions if prompted. For quicker access, tap the three dots on the shortcut, select the drop-down arrow at the top, and choose Add to Home Screen. Then tap Add. Now, whenever you've copied sensitive information, simply tap that shortcut and your clipboard will be cleared instantly. And that's it. That's how you can quickly clear your clipboard on an iPhone and keep your private information more secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.